Hey everybody, I took one of rock's most historic photographs, and not only is the photograph historic, but the place, the time, and the event is legendary. And I'm going to show you that photograph, and I'm going to tell you the story behind it in this video. I'm Robert Maxfield, robertcmaxfield.com, and welcome to Max Concert Photography. Recently, music writer Ian Saint sat down with Nancy Wilson of Heart and was going to do an interview, and he was going to ask her about some photographs and some times about the event. And he and I were sat down before the interview, and I told him, said, "Hey man, I was there." And he goes, "Did you take any photographs?" And I said, "Yeah, sure, I took photographs." He said, "Let me see what you got." So I sent him what I had, and I told him, I said, "There's one photograph in particular that it when Hart came on, it got dark and it became night over the Cotton Bowl. There were 135,000 people there. It became dark, and we'd been out in the heat for probably 12 hours or 10 hours, and it was hot. And all of a sudden, it started to rain, and the wind picked up. And at this point, Hart was beginning to play Mistral Wind. And Ian interviewed Nancy and showed her the photographs, and she confirmed the story that this is exactly what happened. So I took this photograph at this time at the Texas Jam when they came on during the rainstorm, and this is one of the most historic photographs in rock history. It's legendary. I took the photograph with this camera. This is a Petrie 35, compact 35. It had a J.C. Penney 135 f2.8 and a 2x converter, and I was sitting up into the stands. Is the picture the greatest? No, it's not. The equipment, ancient by today's standards, but still, it is historic and legendary. Here is the photograph taken from the lower bowl of the Dallas, Texas Cotton Bowl. It was shot with Ektachrome 400 at 400 ISO or ASA back in those days, and this is the photograph. If you'd like to read the article, it's in the Buddy Magazine April-May issue. It's also in the Guitar Festival issue, but here's a copy of the photograph right here. Please go ahead and go to buddymagazine.com. Look at Ian's article, read it, see the story. It's fantastic, and man, this photograph set in those file cabinets right there for roughly 40 years before I released it. But it turns out it's one of the most historic music photos and photos in rock history. And special thanks goes out to Nancy Wilson, Ian Saint, Rob Garner for producing this and letting me release it. It's incredible. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you.